What's up everybody, it's the Bacon Dad here with another video. Let's do this. Today we're going to revisit one of the products that I did before, and it's the microwave bacon tray. Now I got a couple comments about how I did it wrong. 1 minute per slice, and the bacon was too thick. The tray's too big for my microwave and it won't rotate. So I'm gonna try it with one slice of bacon, not the thick cut, but I did get Applewood smoked maple bacon. This stuff is amazing. And I'm gonna try to just put one piece on there, put it in the microwave, and we'll see how it works. Alright, let's put the lid on it. I'll open up the microwave, put it in there. Since it says 1 minute, I'm going to put it in for 30 seconds and rotate it. Alright, turn it around. Tray is hot, no kidding. So, there we go. Another 30 seconds and here we go. Alright, so the 1 minute is up. Let us take this out and see what we got. Well, that part is starting to crisp up, but this part is not. So, I'll put it in a different position, maybe like this. I'll put it in for 30 more seconds just to see what happens. Alright. Please, let it be good. Well, it's half good. This part is shriveled and shrunken a lot, and this part is not. So, I'm going to take a bite of this part. Alright, so got it in the tray, and this is the half that cooked really well. It's crispy, tastes good. I love the maple bacon, but this part is what I'm worried about. I mean, it's still good. Minute and a half. Rotated after 30 seconds the first time. Rotated the bacon inside. Alright, so I'm going to try it with 3 and see what happens. Okay, right there. Let's try it. I'm going to try this for 4 minutes. 2 minutes one way. I'm going to flip it. 2 minutes the other way. Alright, let's see what this looks like. And it's hot. Well, so far they're alright. I'm going to flip all these pieces over on the other side. Try it for 2 more minutes. Let's see how it looks. Now, it's probably can go in for another minute or so, but it's getting there. We're trying. Alright, 5 minutes total. It's been rotated once after 2 minutes. Let's see what happens. Wow! It actually looks pretty good. Crispy, kind of like you get out from the pan. Okay, so initially I was wrong about this product. I should read the directions a little better. There weren't really many directions on the package. You gotta research on the internet, which it should be on the package anyway. But from what I can see, it's a pretty good product. It cooked it pretty thoroughly. It tasted good when we tried it earlier. gonna make some eggs and eat this for breakfast. And I just want to thank everybody for supporting my channel, and check out my merch at teespring.com, the Why Bacon Why Not, you only die once to live every day. There'll be a link down below in the description. If you have any comments, leave a comment on there, throw a like on the video. If you have any suggestions, leave them there too. I look at all the suggestions and I would love to try something new. Everybody take care of yourselves, and I will see you next video.